everyone, my name is Amanda and I'm the Fun Size Reader, and today I wanted to talk to you about books that have to do with court cases or trials / lawyers stuff. I don't know about anybody else, but there may have been a certain televised trial going on over the past 6 weeks, and I may have been watching all of it. If you're like me, you may be missing trial stuff in your daily life. I don't know. I mean, it's still on TikTok. I wanted to put together a list of books that if you want some more lawyery stuff or more trial-y stuff, here's some things to check out. In true Amanda fashion, I'm going to start out with a romance. So this is Meet Cute by Helena Hunting, and I loved this book so much. I read it a long time ago. It is spicy and funny and charming and just rom-com-y. It is about two lawyers. One of them actually used to be a child TV star who she had a crush on and actually had a meet cute with him. But now they're both lawyers. So if you've been loving Camille and you need more of that lawyery feel in your life, that boss energy that Camille just exudes, definitely check out Meet Cute by Helena Hunting. Also, if you just want a little sprinkle of spice, that's what you need. If you're looking for something that has a murder trial feel to it, check out Where the Crawdads Sing. So this one is one, it's gonna be a movie, but two, it's a mix between character development, beautiful writing, beautiful scenery, all of that, but also has a murder trial sprinkled into it. So Reese Witherspoon is actually making this into a movie because she picked it for Reese's book club, and it looks really good, but it does have that trial element that, oh my gosh, did this actually happen? You second guessing what's going on. I read it a long time ago, so I might need to reread it before the book or the movie comes out, but I remember really liking it. It is a little slower paced because it's got that character development. It's not a murder mystery type book, but it does have that element in it. So Where the Crawdad Sings by Delia Owens. Okay, so this one is for any of you that kind of wonder what goes on in the jury room. So we saw in the case that we needed a unanimous decision, and in a lot of places that is required by law. So this book is called The Holdout by Graham Moore, and I really loved this book when I read it. It is about a jury who has a holdout, one person who makes the jury a hung jury. It's really great having the multiple perspectives of the different jury members, and it's also, I believe it's a split timeline. So it's about a trial that already happened, and then it's about things that are going on in real life when somebody ends up murdered. It was just really good. It is really cool to see the insight of what actually happens, what jury deliberations look like, how the discussions go about. So, like I said, if you've been wondering, how did the jury make this decision? How did they talk through all of this? How was it so quick? How did they all get on the same page? Check out The Holdout by Graham Moore. The last one that I could think of, I actually don't have the physical book. It's at my parents' house because I read this book long time ago. A lot of you may have heard of it. A lot of you may have never read it, but it's called My Sister's Keeper by Jodi Picoult, and it is a very controversial topic. Basically, there are twin sisters. One of them is sick, one of them is not. And the not sick sister is essentially forced against her will to donate, I believe it was bone marrow, to her sick sister to keep her alive. And she seeks out an attorney to basically sue her mother, saying that I'm not doing this anymore. So it follows kind of that lawsuit between the two sisters, between the one and her mother, in order to say that she is going to choose what is done with her body, but at the expense of keeping her sister alive. So that one is like so emotional, so gripping. I never saw the movie because I loved the book so much, like so much. And Jodi Picoult writes such interesting and intense and controversial topics. And so you just kind of go back and forth, kind of like what you do in a trial. Definitely check that one out if you haven't read that yet. Okay, well, I'm going to go back to reading now since I don't have anything to watch on the Law and Crime Network for hours every day. Definitely check out these books if you are craving lawyer, law, trial-filled things as much as I am. I will put the links for the books down in the description below, and don't forget, you can also find me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at The Fun Size Reader. See you guys next time.